Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another video. So I'm here with the Samsung Galaxy Tab E9.6 tablet. So in today's video I'll be showing you how to install LineageOS 16.0, which is based on Android version 9.0 Pie. So we've finally got a 9.0 custom ROM. So I'll be showing you how to install it onto this tablet. Okay, so at the moment I am currently running Android 4.4.4. As you can see, Android version 4.4.4, which is KitKat. And most applications are no longer supported with this version. So yeah, I'll be taking you through the steps on how to get Android 9.0 installed onto this tablet. So first of all, I recommend going to my YouTube channel, or just simply go to YouTube and type in Samsung Galaxy Tab E 9.6 TWRP and look for this video, Samsung Galaxy Tab E 9.6 root and install TWR recovery. Just look for this video and just follow that video and install TWRP recovery. Once you have TWRP flashed onto your tablet, once you've got it installed, then you can go ahead and proceed with the steps that I'm about to show. Okay, so once you've got TWRP flashed and installed on your tablet, just go to this page here. I will leave a link to it in the description down below. And just go to it and scroll down to where it says Google Drive, the download link, and click on it, then select download, and then select download anyway, and go ahead and download the Android 16 the Android 9.0 Lineage 16 ROM. And once you've downloaded it, just save it to your desktop, because I have it saved to my desktop right there. So once you've downloaded it, just save it to the desktop. And then you can go ahead and proceed with the steps that I'm about to show. But before I proceed, I just want to give credits to these people here. I cannot pronounce the name. But yeah, all credits to these people for the creation of the ROM and for testing the ROM. So these are the two people that I give the credits to, because they developed the ROM and they also tested the ROM. And like I said, people, it's a really good ROM. Battery life is amazing. It's fast. It's got lightning speed, great performance, everything. So just go ahead and download the ROM, like I said, from this link here, and the link will be down here somewhere. So once you download it, like I said, just save it to the desktop, and then simply connect your tablet to the PC. So connect the USB cable to the PC and then connect it to the tablet, just like that. And then what you need to do is just either save the ROM, drag and drop it, and place it on either your internal storage or your micro SD card. So I'm going to place it on the micro SD card. So I'm going to drag and drop it to my micro SD card, just like that, and give it a few seconds to copy over. I could skip all of this, people, but I just want to show you everything from beginning to end. So that's why I'm keeping the camera rolling, because I want it to work for you all, so you don't have no issues installing it. Okay, so as you can see, it's now transferred to the SD card. And then just go ahead and close that down. Press the little X. And then from here, you can unplug the USB cable from the tablet. And then just press the power button on the side. And power off the tablet. Okay, so once it powers off, you're going to press the volume up button here and the power button and also the home button. So you're going to press all three. So volume up, home button and power. So let's do that. So home button, volume up and power. So press all three and keep all three held down. And then it should take you into the TeamWin recovery mode. That's the TWRP mode. And then from here, just go ahead and select wipe and slide the slider across to do a factory reset. And then go back again, and then go ahead and hit install. And then now you're going to look for the Lineage 16 ROM that you either placed on your internal storage or your micro SD card. So select storage and then check your micro SD card if you placed it on your micro SD card. So there it is. But if you don't see it on your micro SD card and you placed it on your internal storage, select storage and select internal storage and look for it there. But I placed it on the micro SD card, so I'm going to select storage, micro SD card, and then select it. So there it is, Lineage 16. This is the Android 9.0 custom ROM. Select it and then just swipe to confirm flash. So just be a bit patient. It does take a few minutes. If the screen goes dim, just simply press the power button on the side or just tap the screen and it'll wake back up. It'll wake back up the screen. So if it goes dim, just press the power button on the side or just simply touch the screen there. And you can also swipe to unlock it just to keep it awake. And to avoid it going dim, just occasionally just tap the display like this, just to keep it awake. So whilst it's flashing, I'll remind you all again, before you attempt to do this, go ahead and watch this video over on YouTube and make sure that you install TWRP recovery by watching this video. Then you can proceed with this video to do the installation. So you have to have TWRP recovery installed and flashed onto the tablet for this to work. So yeah, just make sure you watch this video first, get TWRP recovery flashed onto the tablet, and then you can install this Android 9.0 ROM. Okay, so it's finished installing. As you can see, it's done. So go ahead and hit reboot system. And like always, when flashing a custom ROM, the first boot does take a while, so just got to be patient. So there's the Lineage boot animation there. Okay, so the ROM is finished booting up. So just go ahead and hit next and just go through the whole setup process, just like when you get a new phone or tablet. Hit next and then connect to your Wi-Fi. Hit next. And then hit start. Okay, so this is the ROM. So let's just go into the settings. And then scroll down to about tablet. So this is the T560 model, like I mentioned. Android version 9. So here it is, people. Android 9 Pie running on the Samsung Galaxy Tab E 9.6. I did a review on this ROM. Be sure to check it out. It's also on my channel. But like I said, it's an amazing ROM. Respect, thank you to all the developers who was involved in bringing this amazing ROM to this tablet. All credits to you guys. Anyway, that's it for the video. Don't want to make it too long. It's been over 13 minutes. So yeah, that's my tutorial on how to install it onto this tablet. I keep saying phone, this tablet. Yeah, so that's it. I'm out. See you in the next one. People, be sure to like up the video, share the video. It's your boy, the Android Doctor, and I'll see you in the next one. I'm out. Deuces.